This MPK-10CR Portable Air Conditioner offers 10,000 BTU/HR of high-velocity cooling capacity and 3 convenient ways to dispose of the humidity in your home. This unit features a self-evaporating design that essentially eliminates the need to empty the water trays or bucket. Built-in caster at all 4 corners of the base allows for the MPK-10CR to roll easily from room to room. No remote or window/patio door vent. Can be bought seprately. An integrated 24-hour on/off timer allows you to set the on/off time of the portable room air conditioner to turn on or shut down at your convenience, thus improving the energy saving of the unit.